Welcome, my Litecoin family, on this glorious night. I am cast free, a little bit of pain, but I am going to be doing some charting for you anyway. It is March 25th, and I'm going to start you off with a little meme of the day about Ethereum. I like Ethereum. I love Ethereum. I mean, I own Ethereum. I'm skeptical right now on ETH 2.0, but apparently I was doing some research and I did come across, we did actually finally break ETH 2.0, finally launched, you guys. And Vitalik is 90 years old. This is from the future. So do you guys think ETH 2.0 is ever going to launch? I'm really curious to know. I personally think there could be a black swan event. If anything's going to be a black swan, it'd be a failed launch from Ethereum 2.0 and it affecting the whole ecosystem. Before I jump into the charts, I wanted to actually talk about this pyramid, and this pyramid is the John Extra's pyramid of basically derivatives and purchasing power. And what it kind of talks about is basically everything is a derivative of gold. And I would say now there's Bitcoins over here, and Bitcoin has its own, it's like this little tiny dot compared to gold, right? It's now a sixth of the size. So if you imagine a Bitcoin like a little dot over here, and what happens is that this part of the pyramid right now is under attack. So the government bonds, the treasury bills, and the paper money is under attack. And as people realize that the system is kind of rigged against them, and the Ponzi scheme comes to a kind of a halt, and the inflation rates spike, and also the interest rates from the Fed go up. What happens is people start flooding out of paper money and bonds, and they go into gold. And as this system and the pyramid falls into itself. So if you take out this section, then what happens is the purchasing power has to go somewhere. So this represents all of the purchasing power of the world, right? And what happens is that on a time of when this is parts under attack right now from inflation and the Fed raising interest rates, and they're playing this like balance game but eventually what's going to happen is that the scheme is going to come up. People are going to realize that what they're holding is not real, and the fake is going to chase the real, and the paper assets are going to chase physical assets, and the purchasing power doesn't go anywhere. So what's going to happen is that the gold and the silver bugs and the Bitcoin bugs are now basically betting that this thing is going to chase the gold and silver as inflation rates start getting out of control, and then the Fed, obviously is going to crash the market and take out. And so gold and the Bitcoin are going to start purchasing all your private businesses and your real estate. So that's kind of the end game investing right now. So just wanted to share that with you. Okay, we can jump into the charts. It's looking nice today. The dollar is kind of still sitting in this descending triangle right now. But I really wanted to show you guys Litecoin right now on the daily. I'm going to go to the market cipher and show you this enormous bullish divergences going on. So we have some serious bullish divergences playing out right now with money flow back into the green. This is on the daily. It's very nice to see. ETH is the same way. We have money flow and bullish divergence, with money flow coming back into showing some follow through right now. It's super important. SHIB is actually at a really good play. We just got a green dot. And this thing is looking like it's starting to curl back around into the positive. So when this thing starts getting back into the green, which I expect, watch out for a nice little pop. QQQ is also signaling right now. This is the technology stocks, bullish divergences, super strong bullish divergence on QQQ. So it looks like we're having a reversal. Hold on to your seats, folks. I think this next one's going to be pretty big pop. Dogecoin on the daily is showing strong bullish divergence with money flow still in the red, but it looks like it's curling back around as well. We'll hope out for a little Doge. I'll hold out. The Dixie is still in the green, so this is the dollar. People rushing to the dollar is going to be first, and then as the dollar starts getting inflated out of existence, they will move to silver, gold, and Bitcoin, possibly other cryptos. Silver showing obviously strong money flow into this in the green. This bull flag is playing out right now, even though we do have a sell on the Lux algo. So I wouldn't really worry too much about that right now. Gold is starting to break out again, you guys. So this is what MACD is starting to curl back around here. We haven't had an actual confirmation on the daily on the MACD, even though on the cipher, it looks like we do have a green dot and we have heavy cash flow into gold right now. So that's something to be aware of, that people are buying gold. Platinum, it's just having a little retest, it looks like. A little double bottom here forming in platinum. Hopefully they can hold this trend line right here, and we'll get some follow through from platinum. The other thing I wanted to talk about, Theta. Theta is having a nice little strong buy right now. If you guys are ever interested in this coin, this coin is very interesting. I know some things about Theta, but this is having a double bullish divergence on Theta on the daily. So if you ever did want to get Theta, it's probably a good time. I would say this thing is starting to curl back around as well. Tesla, how's Musk doing, dude? What's up, Papa Elon? You doing, Bubba? Running, solving the world's problems, going to Mars, and, putting chips in the brain. People, he's a busy man, busy man. The other thing I really wanted to touch base on is Litecoin BTC chart. This thing is still squeezing, you guys. It's squeezing hard. And we're showing, when this thing starts to go, this is going to be where you want to put your money. Not financial advice, by the way, but this is definitely something you want to keep an eye on. Going to 2%, of Bitcoin. This is like a 2% of Bitcoin move, which means, if Bitcoin's at 100,000, 2% is $2,000. So, where we're at now, Litecoin's $124, you guys. So it's, you can do the math. But yeah, that's where I think we're going. So let's do GameStop. GameStop's having a blast off right now, you guys. Shout out to Willie, dude, and his family. Yeah, dude, this thing is actually starting to really show some life here. I would say the next, if we can get over 156, like basically the level that we're at right now, GameStop folks are gonna, the diamond handers are looking like 200 is going to be the next level of resistance. So if we can get above 200, then, I would say 500 is like the next stop, so, or I guess 330 is the next stop. So yeah, so GameStop, dude, shout out to GameStop. That's a pretty big fat move right here. I don't know what this thing is. It's done like 100% in like 15 days. So, all right. So is this indicator of the meme stocks popping? Should we start looking at AMC right now? Is that what? Do I have to really look up AMC? Do I have AMC? I might not have AMC. I can't look it up. I'll look that up on the next video. I can't look that up right now. Anyways, good night, folks. Take it easy. Make smart choices. Use your brains. Use logic. Don't do anything. Don't go over 20% leverage. Take it easy. Peace. Litecoin Lawton out.